wild mushroom risotto flavored with a little bit of truffle oil. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. All right, once you add a little bit of the garlic and onion we have chopped there. Okay, now we have a nice selection of mushrooms. We have some bay leaf, we have some fresh thyme. We're gonna throw a little parsley in here.
All right.
Just a little bit of butter, a little kosher salt. And then we're gonna add some fresh cracked pepper. And this is a little white truffle oil. Some dried porcinis.
Next, 6 cups of warm chicken broth. Then, take it off the heat to sit. Risotto time, baby. We start by adding chopped garlic and onion, and 2 cups of aboya rice.
All right, so what we're gonna start with is a little bit of white wine. And we have chicken broth here. We're gonna add it just a little bit at a time.
A few more minutes, and we're ready for the next step.
Now we're gonna add a lot of the mushrooms. All right, now we're gonna add just a little bit of butter.
With the help of a little grated Parmesan cheese, this risotto is ready to meet with the chef's approval.
Yum.